Hi, I'm Karina Mancilla. I am a senior estimator from HGR Basel. At the beginning of my professional career, I started working on site, but a pre-construction manager saw some qualities on me that were good to work with pre-construction and invited me to work with her. I found preparing estimates and working in a lot of projects in a short period of time interesting. I started working in pre-construction in 2008, and I am glad to continue this path. I love working with numbers and analyzing different ratios and scenarios. It's interesting how buildings' characteristics can be represented by numbers. Yes, I think so. It was very helpful to work on site, like a project engineer on site in a project, because I learned a lot of things that then I can translate. I translated to the pre-construction. Yes. No, we didn't evaluate other softwares. We were using Sage Timberland at that time. We received some recommendations from other general contractors about Destiny. We were very interested and wanted to learn more about Destiny. Yes, we decided to go with Destiny Estimator because it allows to work multiple users to work in the same estimate at the same time. The information is recorded in a database level that allows us to dive into historical data. The project tabs is very flexible, so it allows us to create conceptual estimates and create different templates for project information. And finally, the integration with Procore is very helpful. To be honest, I wasn't working in Sage Timberland. My supervisor was the senior pre-con manager, because only one person can work in the estimate. So at that time was only one person from the whole team working in the software. So it was really difficult to other people to start using the same software. But based on the way that information was recorded, it was not very easy to read, or it was not like custom made for the client. That's something that Destiny has. Like, you work with the implementation team to customize your templates, to have your firm names in every page, the color that you want to use, the information that you want to show. So I think that software was not able to do that. It has been great so far. We have worked with different teams as sales, implementation, customer success specialists, and support, and with marketing as well. And everybody has been very professional and proactive. It has felt like a united and compact team, that you are not talking with different people, you are talking, it seems like you are talking with one and everybody knows everything. They have always providing us with solutions, helping us to maximize the usage of the software based on our needs. Communication has been very clear and transparent. That's what I like, because I receive information about releases, updates, or technical issues in a very clear way and in a very timely manner. So yeah, that has been a great experience so far. My favorite thing is that a lot of things can be done very quickly. Like, for example, I can create a project based on a template, or I can create a project based on copying another estimate. So the process is easy and make us more productive. The learning curve has been smooth. At the beginning we were struggling, every time that changes are made, it's difficult to engage with the change. But when you are in, you start learning new tips very easily, and it has been very straightforward. No, I think it has been a very gentle learning curve. We were in a rush to change softwares, so we really took a lot of time, going through implementation and start working on the software. So yeah, I think it has been gentle, and we have been, the customer success specialists are very helpful because they are with you in every step of the way, helping you to get where you want to with the software. So that's very helpful. I haven't seen that in any other softwares, so that's great, yes.